Here we will talk with AI. I will use AI Gemini to talk. Okay, we'll start. Hello AI, I'm Hershey. I want to talk with you. Is this okay?
Hi, Hersey. Of course, I'm here to chat. What's on your mind today?
I want to discuss science in life. One of them is about chemical reaction. In your opinion, can this chemical reaction occur anywhere?
That's a great question. Chemical reactions can happen anywhere, but there are some factors that can influence if a reaction will happen or not. For example, temperature, pressure, and the concentration of the reactants all play a role. Some reactions need a specific environment to occur, while others can happen more easily.
Okay, the next question, give an example of a chemical reaction in everyday life.
Sure. One common example is when you bake a cake. The baking powder reacts with the other ingredients to create carbon dioxide bubbles, which make the cake rise. That's a chemical reaction in action.
Apart from the example you give, are there any chemical reaction in the battery?
Yes, batteries rely on chemical reactions to work. Inside a battery, there are chemicals that react with each other to produce electricity. It's a pretty neat way to store and use energy.
From your statement, there is a chemical reaction in the battery. So why can the battery make a toy car run? It is connected to a chemical reaction.
That's right. The chemical reactions inside a battery create a flow of electrons, which is electricity. That electricity then powers the toy car's motor, making it move. It's like a tiny power plant in the palm of your hand.
Based on your explanation, what do you mean by a chemical reaction in a battery that involves metal containing electrons that react with acid to produce electric so that the toy car can run?
Ah, you're asking for a more detailed explanation of how a battery works. Basically, batteries have two electrodes, the anode and the cathode, made of different materials. These electrodes are submerged in a substance called an electrolyte. The chemical reactions happen between the electrodes and the electrolyte. At the anode, a metal like zinc loses electrons. This is called oxidation. Those electrons then flow through a wire to the cathode, where another chemical reaction happens, this time gaining electrons. That's called reduction. This flow of electrons is what creates electricity. In the case of your toy car, the battery's chemical reactions power a tiny motor. The motor then converts that electrical energy into mechanical energy, making the wheels turn and the car move.
Okay, thanks AI. Nice talking to you. See you.
You're welcome. It was nice chatting with you too. Feel free to reach out if you have any more questions or just want to chat again sometime. Goodbye.
Okay, so in essence, the chemical reaction between the metal and the electron in the battery produce a flow electron that move the toy car. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.